We are ready to share our barbecue recipe of the week. It's been a fun summer series here on Studio 5, and today my mouth is already watering. We're making Korean-style grilled beef ribs. Tami Steggell is joining me on the plaza with this week's recipe. Are you kidding me?
Yes, this is so fun. So these are beef ribs.
Okay.
They're cut crosswise across the ribs. So when you purchase them, they're going to look a little bit like a really thick piece of bacon.
And is that a special cut I have to ask for?
It is. It's called flanken.
Okay.
It's also called kalbi.
Flanken.
And you can find them in the Latin stores.
Okay.
And I also found them at Costco, and they called them beef plated short ribs.
Short ribs, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are wonderful because the whole entire experience only takes 10 minutes.
Okay. You're going to get some going for us.
Yep. So 5 minutes to create your marinade. And then 2 minutes each side for these ribs.
If I can have beef Korean tacos that look and smell like that in 10 to 15 minutes, I am so on board. So we'll let those do their thing. Tell us what goes into the marinade.
So this is the marinade. It's really simple. You throw everything in a blender. That is it. It has soy sauce, honey, a white onion, brown sugar, sesame seeds, ginger, fresh ginger, that's really important, fresh garlic, kiwi, toasted sesame oil, and apple juice and orange juice. And my secret with the juice is I actually use concentrate.
Oh, really?
So that the meat is a little bit sweeter.
That's why this is thicker. You're using kind of the frozen stuff.
Yep.
Okay. And fresh ginger, you made an emphasis on fresh ginger. Help us, give us a little 1-2. I don't cook with that very often.
Oh, okay. Well, because you could just throw it in the blender and it'll blend with everything.
It.
Yes.
Okay.
And you'll want about 1 inch of your ginger.
So peel and all?
You can throw the peel. I peel it.
Peel it,
And you just peel it with the back of a spoon.
Oh, okay.
And the skin will come right off.
All right, just throw it in there and blend up. Okay.
Yep, and the reason fresh ginger is because it'll absorb into the flavor a little bit better, whereas dried ground ginger, not so much. It doesn't have that strength of character.
Well, I'm thinking of more restaurant menus because, again, I don't cook with fresh ginger often in my own kitchen, but it's always the game changer, I feel like. It's always that layer of flavor.
Fresh ginger is magical.
Yes, it is. All right, how long should it marinate? Give us your expert advice on that.
Okay, so here's the marinade. You pour the marinade over your meat, and you can let it marinate for 4 hours or overnight. So these were marinated overnight, just 2 minutes each side. So your marinade takes 3 to 5 minutes max, just to grab all your ingredients, throw them in a blender, pour them on here, and throw it in the fridge.
What temp are you at approximately?
So I'm on high on my grill. You want it at about 400 degrees.
Okay.
And then you'll see like how pretty it is.
She even got the grill marks. Look at this lady.
And then I can show you one other trick. You can serve this on rice with a nice mango avocado salsa, which I'll include on our Instagram page.
Okay.
So that you can, and then on white rice with mango avocado salsa.
Look at that.
And you have a complete meal. I even grill pineapple with it.
Oh my goodness. I love how it's a different...
Look at how gorgeous those are.
It is. I love that it's a different flavor palette for the grill. I mean, I think we get stuck in our grilling ruts of burgers, dogs, and chicken. This totally takes us in a completely different direction, and I'm here for it.
And it's simple, easy, and the taste is amazing.
Yes. Yes, well, I can tell with all those great ingredients. The only thing you need, I mean, you could eat them as is.
You can eat them as is, and the other thing, too, is you can cut them into little strips, because you can see when it was cut crosswise across the bone, there's little pieces of bone
falling off your kitchen
But if you're
chairs.
having a game night or an event or hosting at your home, just cut them into little pieces for appetizers.
Stick a toothpick in there or grab a fork and you've got yourself my mouth is just, I'm salivating.
So good.
A delicious appetizer or served over rice with that awesome salsa recipe you promised. Where can we get the complete recipe for this and the salsa you mentioned?
Bite Me Industries on Instagram.
Okay, Bite Me Industries. You should be following. If not, give it a click. Tami's sharing great recipes like this all of the time. Thanks for spicing up our barbecue series.
You bet.
This is fun. I'm going to be making this weekend at my house. Thanks again, Tami. Nice job.